Okay, let us look at this example. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving about the y-axis. So in other words, the axis of revolution is about the y-axis. So let me write that here. And the generator is described as the region bounded by the graphs of y equal to square root of x, y equal to 2, and the y-axis. Actually, you can see that in the right-hand side of the screen, bounded by y equal to square root of x, and this line y equal to 2, and this line here y-axis. So now, if we revolve this about the y-axis, we get this solid of revolution. Now, if we will cut a slice perpendicular to the axis of revolution, we get a disk. So we use the disk method. Since the revolution is about the y-axis, then the volume is given by pi integral of the radius. So looking at here, this radius here of each slice is described by the function x equal to y square. So we have here y square dy, evaluate from 0 to 2. So 0 to 2. Expanding the square, we have pi integral of y to the 4th dy from 0 to 2. Antiderivative, we have y to the 5 over 5. Evaluate from 0 to 2. Then substitution, we get 32 over 5 minus 0. Thus, the volume is given by 32 over 5 pi cubic units. That's it. Another example. Let us find the volume of the solid under the curve y equal to x squared minus 1, shown on the right-hand side, revolved about the x-axis from x equal to 1 until 4. So meaning this is 1 here until 4. The solid of, the axis of revolution is the x-axis, and the generator is bounded by the curve y equal to x squared minus 1. Lines, maybe we can look at the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Okay, now revolving this region with respect to the x-axis, we get this solid. Now, if we will cut a slice, first, if we cut a cross-section, we get a circle. And if we will take a look at a slice, we get a disk. So again, we use the disk method. Now, the next question is, what is the radius of each slice? So it's given by y equal to f of x. Okay, so I will have here the volume now is pi integral from 1 to 4. F of x is x squared minus 1 squared. This is radius square. Integrate with respect to x. And evaluate from 1 to 4. So expanding the square, we get 1 to 4. What is this? This is x to the 4th minus 2x squared plus 1 dx. Integrating, I have x to the 5 over 5 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus x, evaluate from 1 to 4. Now, when x is 4, we have, what is 4 to the 5? 4 times 4. 4 to the 5. 1, 2. Okay, it's 1024 over 5 minus 64. 64 times 2, so that's 128 over 3 plus 4. Minus, when x is 1, we have 1/5. When x is, then followed by 2/3 plus 1. So combining, we get 1023 over 5 minus 126 over 3 plus 3. Adding, we have times 3, so that's 3069 minus 630 plus 45 pi. So what is this? This is 2484 over 15 pi cubic units. So that's it.